All right, let's see what we got here. Pop out right here. Looks like we got it in black here. SIM card tool. I think this is going to be an 18-watt charger, USB-A to USB-C adapter, and the full USB cable right here. Nothing on this, nothing in here. Let's go ahead and let this power up. Take a look on the back here. We've got a dual camera setup. Up, we have our front camera right there. Headphone jack right there at the top. USB-C, a couple speakers right at the bottom. We do have a 6.3-inch display. Don't copy for now. Start off fresh. All right, let's set up our imprint. Touch the center. A little smaller. It seems in previous devices, but still does a good job. Oh, dark theme all day. All right, we know we get 120 gigabytes of storage. Let's check to see how much of that we do get that's usable for us. 114 gigabytes free. Looks like 13 gigabytes is used for our system. For those looking for confirmation on specs, we have a Snapdragon 765G. Have roughly probably about 545 megabytes RAM. I will just say this is about 6 gigabytes of RAM available built into the system. And for the battery, we have 4620 milliamp hour battery inside of here. For the camera, we're looking at dual 12 megapixel cameras. And on the front, we're looking at an 8 megapixel shooter. Let me know what you want to know in the comments below.